In this video, I will show you how to make text letter manipulation with a free AI tool. Before we get started, kindly subscribe and don't miss any of new tutorial. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type your prompt. Click on Create button. It did create job. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this images, simply click on Download here. I will add this prompt in video description. If you want more prompts and tutorials like this, let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video.